What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the color on your customer notification pages. Now, I received this question from a previous video where I showed how to change it on the order confirmation page, and it was asked, does it change the colors and the logos on other pages that exist for the customer? And I'm about to show you what it looks like, and the answer to that in short is yes. So let's go down to where it says the settings on the lower left hand side, and from here we will go down to notifications here on Shopify. So here you can go to notifications, and let's say you choose customer notification right here, and you can simply go ahead and click on customization email on the top right hand side here. So customize email templates. Now when you click on that, it's going to show you, for example, the order confirmation. It doesn't show you anything else, right? Really more than the customer order confirmation. But if you change the logo here, if you change the color here, let's do that and switch this to, for example, yellow, so it's bright and visible, or maybe let's put it into red so that you can see it, whichever one, right? Let's leave it at that. If you change the color right here and you click and save, it's going to quickly refresh, and you see that the color changes right here. No, it doesn't only change this. Anything related to the customer notification, it's going to change. So let me just go back and show you. So if I go to customer notification, you will see that first it showed up on the customer order confirmation, but if I go to draft order invoice or shopping confirmation, both, it will show up there as well. So here you can see that it shows the logo as well on this page, and it shows the color as well. And if I go back under this section as well and I choose, for example, the draft order invoice, you will see that it is there as well. So in short, that's yes. So wherever you choose it, as you can see here, even though it shows the customer order confirmation, when you customize it, it actually changes it for all of the other pages as well, right? So that's how you easily do it. So guys, that's, if you're looking for how to change a color or the theme there, that's how you actually do it. You just change the color, change the style, change your logo, and it will show up in those places there on your Shopify store, as you can see there. And that's basically it, guys. It's super easy and it's super simple. So I hope that answers your question, guys, and if it does, I'd really appreciate if you give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and thank you guys for watching.